Mom, are you gonna make Frudiy?
Yes, I am.
Yes!
Hi, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. Today I am going to show you how to put together a trail mix called Frudiy. Let me give you a little backstory to this name. A few years ago, my youngest asked me what I was doing. I told him I was putting together a trail mix of fruits and nuts. He looked up at me and said, Frudiy, and gave me a big smile. So from then on, when I put together this trail mix, I just say, I'm making Frudiy. And the kids know what I'm talking about. It's silly, but I thought it was cute. And my youngest came up with a name. So I couldn't refuse calling this trail mix Frudiy. Let's get started. Here I have deluxe mixed nuts, and this is unsalted. I am going to add to this banana chips, apple and almond honey granola, dried cherries, chopped dates. Now, I did have to check the label to see that it was unsalted because some of the fruit and of course mostly all the nuts are salted. So I am going to use half a cup of each and add it to the bowl. Banana chips, dried cherries, chopped dates, apple and almond honey granola. I am going to now mix it well. And I'm telling you, the kids love it. What I like to do is use these little portion pack bags to add the Frudiy to it. And that way the kids will have it on hand whenever they want to, just grab and go. And you can add more if you like. I usually add half a cup to the bag. And the kids love it, and I do too. So Frudiy. This is delicious. You can even use this on top of oatmeal. So good. Yummy. I hope you tried this Frudiy trail mix. You are going to love it. Please give us a thumbs up and remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.